Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a group on WhatsApp Desktop in 2026. First, open WhatsApp Desktop on your Windows computer. On the left side of the screen, look for the New Chat button. Click on the New Chat button and you'll see different options for starting a new conversation. Select New Group. WhatsApp will now ask you to choose the contacts you want to add to the group. Select the contacts you want to include. After choosing the participants, click the Next or arrow button to continue. Now you'll be asked to enter a name for your new group. Type a name that clearly describes the purpose of the group. You may also have the option to add a group photo. If you want, you can select an image from your computer and use it as the group picture. Once you're happy with the group name and photo, click the Create button or the checkmark to finish creating the group. WhatsApp will now create the new group, and the group conversation will open on your screen. You can now send messages, photos, videos, documents, and other content to everyone in the group. Creating a group is useful when you want to communicate with multiple people in one conversation instead of sending the same message separately. You can also open the group information later to manage participants, change the group name, update the group photo, and manage other group settings. So the process is simple. Open WhatsApp Desktop, click New Chat, select New Group, choose your participants, enter a group name, and create the group. And that's how you can create a group on WhatsApp Desktop in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.